Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a drunk get ready with me. So if you guys want to see me get drunk and get ready with me using the Bratz palette inspired by the one and only Bratz doll, then just stay tuned and let's get ready. I am trying these Daisy Marquez wine. So this one is the bear and this is in the pink wine, and this one is 12.8% of alcohol. So I'm just gonna do my hair real fast. But yeah, this is my first can in, so I'll check up when I'm done blow drying my hair. Okay, so we're gonna start with the makeup. I already did my hair. I kind of changed my hairstyle. I was gonna do a blowout, but then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna curl my hair and do this hairstyle that's been popping locking lately. I am in my second can, and this one is in the white, and this one is more alcohol percentage. This one is 14.2 alcohol percentage. So yeah, I'm like halfway done with this. I already did this eye look. Today we're going to be using the Bratz makeup palette. Makeup Revolution actually teamed up with the Bratz, and they came up with this beautiful palette. And low-key, me growing up, I was always a Bratz fan. So, you know, like, I'm obviously going to support the Bratz Foundation, the Bratz community, you know. There's actually like 4 different palettes for each Bratz doll. So I know this is Sasha. And I know this is Jade. I think this one's Chloe, and I forgot her name. And then Jasmine is this one. If you didn't want to buy this big palette, you could have gone to the small palette. It's like every palette for every Bratz doll, but I wanted to go with the big palette because I do have the colors for every Bratz doll. So yeah guys, I am so excited for this palette. I was so eager to receive my shipment. I thought it was gonna take forever because I know it's coming from the United Kingdom. So I was like, oh, you know, it's probably gonna take like a month to get here. But then, like, honestly, this shit came through real quick. So I was like, I need to do a makeup video on this. First off, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow primer. And let me bring my wine with me so, you know, we could be chugging and doing the makeup. We're gonna go in with our first color. It's gonna be on the Chloe side, and it's the color My Girls, and it's this beautiful lavender. So with this color, you just want to blend this in on the crease. Do you guys see how pigmented this purple is? Oh my god. And then this time I did do my hair, so you guys are gonna see how cute my hair looks, because I haven't shown you guys my new hair look. Okay, so cheers guys. Today is June 29th, so whoever has a birthday today, cheers. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go in with my second color. We're gonna be using the color Jade, and this is from the Jade palette. So it's like this beautiful pink, this one right here. So I'm going to be using this as my transition color. So you're going to start blending that color Jade in with the color My Girls. And it's okay if you go all the way up to your eyebrow, because honestly, Bratz use their whole eyelid. They like don't let their eyelid be misused. Like, girl, those dolls use the whole eyelid. Like that. You see how it's like nicely blended? Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our third color. So from the Sasha palette, I used the color Midnight Dance, which is this one right here. And then I used the color Rock Angels, which is from the Jasmine palette, and it's this one right here. So we're gonna use that on the edge just to blend that in. So I'm almost done with this little can. Remember guys, this is 14.2. I actually love the flavors. I think I like this flavor better than the pink flavor. You guys, I think I'm like super drunk. I'm really buzzed right now. So let me tell you guys, just with 2 cans, no, just with 1 can alone, you could get really buzzed. So imagine with 2 cans, I'm gonna be like super buzzed. From 1 to 10, I'm probably like a 7. So I actually did cut my crease off camera, and I just used concealer and a little flat brush. This is what I have. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the color Accessorize, shimmery white color, and we're gonna use this to set the concealer. I'm trying to do the most dramatic look because I'm telling you guys, the Bratz were not playing with their makeup. I can't believe I legit would watch Bratz during high school. Like, when I would get out of high school, I would go home and watch Bratz. And I only owned one Bratz doll in my lifetime when I was little. So I remember I got gifted a Bratz doll in Christmas. I think I was like probably like 7 years old. As soon as I got that Bratz doll, like, I fell in love with their glamorous, like, fucking extra as fuck everything. Like, I was like, oh shit, this Bratz doll is like the definition of being extra as fuck. And I don't know, I honestly don't know why I'm so extra, but I'm fucking extra. Like, it just comes natural. I feel like I was just born extra. My mom is the most simplest lady, so I know for sure I didn't get it from my mom. So right now I'm just blending in that color with the shimmery color. My cousins always tell me that I got it from my aunt, and I think I did get it from her because as I was growing up, I always would go to her room and she would always be getting ready, and she would get like glammed up, like foundation, eyeshadow, lip liner, lip gloss, lipstick, and I would just like stare at her and admire her. And then sometimes she would like paint my lips with like clear gloss. Anyways, I'm like getting off topic. You're just gonna blend this in like this. So as you guys can see, like, it's blending in really nice, and you want to blend it in with the purple lavender color too, so you don't have any harsh lines. Hopefully one day I could do her makeup and I could record it with, so you guys can see her. She's so beautiful. Okay, so I am back. I'm actually doing my foundation at the moment. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation in the color 220 Natural Beige. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Your girl has a lot of acne in her face, and I fucking used the wrong foundation brush, so now I have two foundation brushes that I used. But that's what happens when you're drunk doing your makeup. I just set my whole face with my Too Faced setting spray, and it's the Hangover setting spray primer setting spray. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I am baked the fuck out. I don't mean as in baked, I mean as in baked. So then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under contour like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set my whole face using this. I usually just leave like the under eye bake because I do like my under eyes to be like super highlighted. So I probably look like a little monster, but it's fine. So I think I'm like halfway down the bottle, but yeah guys, I highly recommend this wine. If you guys like Moscato, like the bitter Moscato, it tastes exactly like that. I actually really love it, and I can tell you guys, from 1 to 10, I'm probably like an 8. Now we're gonna go in with our bronzing. I like to bronze my face using this Sun Club matte bronzing powder palette, and it's from Beauty Essence. This is like such a really nice bronzing palette. It's so freaking bomb, and it was only like $3. So I'm gonna be using these two colors, this one right here and this one. I like to mix those in. And then I bring it down under my neck and down under my throat like that. And it just gives you the most beautiful defining like face, like Kim Kardashian status. I'm like drunk. I like to use like this brush right here. It's like a really like buffing brush. I like to go in with this shade, this one right here. So I like to use this to contour my nose because girl, I have a big ass nose and I know it. So hopefully one day I can like get my nose done. But yeah, for now we're gonna be just contouring the nose. Okay, so once I contour my nose, I just leave it like that. And now I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics BFF Snatch Face Palette. I freaking love their blush. I can't get over their blush. And I just like to blend this going upwards like this. And I like to apply blush in my nose to just give me that little, oh she's cold effect, like that. Okay, so once I have this, I like to go in with my Kylie Jenner setting powder, and I like to do this under my blush and my bronzer. So once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer setting spray. And you guys, I got this shirt when I went to Cancun. I bought this Tulum shirt. Okay, so I'm officially done with this can. This is the second can I have, and both of them were 14.2% of alcohol. So okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back. Oh, and my lips, and I'll be back with the final look, because I feel like this tutorial has been so long because I'm fucked up and I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So this is the final look. Me being hella extra or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me drunk as fuck edition. From 1 to 10, I'm probably like a fucking 9. This is my final look. Honestly, I love this palette, and I'm gonna be using it all summer. So if you guys want to see more tutorials of the Bratz doll, let me know, because girl, I am down to turn myself into a Bratz doll. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single motherfucking time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.